What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a logo in Canva. Welcome to my channel Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs and the metaverse. I'm here to help you and to guide you. Please remember to like this video and hit the subscribe button to be more videos like this one. Also, watch this video to the end. I have a freebie for you. And finally, I'm currently on a 100-day challenge, all right, where I'm posting 100 videos in 100 days. Well, and it's been exciting and I hope I get to finish, all right? Let's dive in. All right, guys. So the process to create a logo in Canva is quite simple, all right? So currently I'm logged into my Canva account and using my mobile phone. So we just want to scroll right here to find logo, and we click on logo. Okay, so currently the first thing you see is that there are several templates that we could try. All right, so it's drag and drop. You could simply edit an already made template, or you could just create yours. Okay, so this takes less than 2 minutes and we'll be done with that. So you can see there are several logo styles. You could go for one that comes with you know, words, or you could go for symbols and images. So we look at some of these things that we have here, and let's just stay with something quite simple. All right, so I'm just going to scroll back up to this and this. All right, so now we give it some time to load, and when it's done loading, of course, probably you already have your colors, your text, and a sample of an image, you know, or an illustration that you plan to use. Okay, so we just click on the words and we click on edit. I'm going to change this to Ask Hacker Cheche. All right, so Ask Hacker Cheche. All right, and I want to change this. So we could delete this. All right, I want to add something else. So go to elements, and what elements are we going to add right now? Let me see. All right, so I chose this nice looking image, but okay. All right, now if we look down here, we see that we have an option to change the colors on that. Okay, so I'm just going to change that to all black. You know, just I want that to be all black. Is this black? I don't think so. Okay, yeah, this is black. And I'm going to change this color to, I think I prefer this dark blue, and that's too. All right, so there we have it. So now when we are done with this, I think I want this a little bit aligned inside. Yep, awesome. So when we are done, we click the download button up here, and when we do that, we download that. All right, please don't forget, if you want to, you could change the background color of this image. Okay, so if you click on this the background, we see below down here we have a color. All right, it's currently white. So if you click on it, we could change it to say a black or a white or any other color that we want. Okay, so that is that, but then I'll leave it at white, so just change that back to white and move down. some other things. We could replace any of this, the text, the illustration, the colors, and of course you could add some more stuff. So if you click this purple colored plus button here, we could add some other things if we wanted. Okay, so if you look at the base of this page, you see that there are templates. We could change the templates if we wanted to. We could add elements, and we could search for whatever elements we wanted. All right, we could use lines and shapes. So if you click on see all, you're going to see tons and tons of lines and shapes that you could use. Right, so there are lots of them. All right, so that's for the lines and shapes. Also, now below the lines and shapes, you will find graphics. Now if you click on see all, you would also find tons of amazing graphics that you could use. Okay, you could find featured, you could even find gradients, you could find stickers, and lots of illustrations that you could use. Okay, now you could also add an image from your gallery, or you make an upload, or you could add some text or some styles. You could work on the background. All right, so there are tons of amazing stuff for you to do. Okay, and with Canva, it makes it so super simple. Just it's as simple as dragging the elements and dropping it on the design. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.